Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Apple, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. Once inside the Wallet app, tap on the plus icon to add a new payment method. Select credit or debit card if you want to link your bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your card information. You can choose to scan your card or enter the details manually. After you've successfully added your card, navigate back to the main wallet interface. From here, tap on the spending section to access budgeting options. Next, select budgeting to start setting your budget parameters. Choose the category you'd like, enter your desired amount for that category. Tap Save to confirm your budget settings. Repeat this process for any additional categories you want to budget for. Once all categories are set, return to the main budgeting screen. Here, you can view your progress for each category. To monitor your spending, regularly check this section. Use the Transactions tab to see detailed information about your purchases. You can categorize each transaction for better tracking. If you want to set spending limits, go back to the budgeting settings. Adjust your budget amounts as necessary based on your spending habits. Enable notifications to remind you when you're nearing your budget limit. Utilize Apple's built-in analytics to visualize your spending trends over time. Review your budget monthly and make adjustments as your financial situation changes. Lastly, consider using the Notes app for any additional budgeting notes or reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.